I hereby relinquish my duties and responsibilities effective 06 October 2025.
To hereby relinquish my duties and responsibilities as the acting Provincial Fire Marshal of Camiguin, effective this day.
I hereby assume my duties and responsibilities as City Fire Marshal of Osami City Fire Station, and I am eager to sign.
The turnover of command is a testament to the discipline and perpetual leadership of the Bureau of Fire Protection. This tradition is a formal and solemn act, establishing the authority of a new commander and acknowledging the honorable service of the predecessor. It is a vital moment of transition, ensuring the uninterrupted operational readiness and unwavering mission of this command. And now, may we call in Fire Chief Inspector Attorney Ruel B. Carriedo, Chief Administrative Division, for reading of Bureau and Regional Order.
Good morning. Republic of the Philippines, Department of the Interior and Local Government, Bureau of Fire Protection National Headquarters, Senator Miriam Defensor, Santiago Avenue, Barangay Bagong Pag-asa, Quezon City. Special Order Number REA-2025-214, dated October 6, 2025. Reassignment. In the interest of the service and pursuant to BFP Region 10 Regional Personnel Placement Board Resolution Number 2025-09, dated 24 September 2025. The reassignment of the following BFP personnel are hereby confirmed, effective this date as follows. Fire Superintendent Romeo L. Miranda, relieved as Chief Operations Division Concurrent Chief Special Rescue Force, BFP Region 10, and reassigned as Provincial Fire Marshal, Bukidnon, BFP Region 10. Fire Superintendent Carmel Lito V. Junela, relieved as City Fire Marshal, Osami City Fire Station, Misamis Occidental, BFP Region 10, and reassigned as Provincial Fire Marshal, Camiguin, BFP Region 10. Signed, Fire Director Jesus P. Fernandez, CISE, Chief BFP. Republic of the Philippines, Department of the Interior and Local Government, Bureau of Fire Protection, Regional Office 10, Maharlika Building, Gumamela Extension, Carmen, Cagayan de Oro City. Regional Order Number REA-2025-059, dated October 9, 2025. In the interest of service and pursuant to BFP 10 Regional Personnel Placement Board Resolution Number 2025-09, the following BFP officers are relieved from their present unit assignment and further reassigned as indicated opposite their names, effective this date as follows. Fire Chief Inspector Willie Intan Jr., relieved as Acting Provincial Fire Marshal, Province of Camiguin, and reassigned as Acting Chief Operations Division, Regional Headquarters, Concurrent Chief Special Rescue Force, BFP Region 10. Fire Chief Inspector Lloyd M. Bellaroya, relieved as Acting Provincial Fire Marshal, Province of Bukidnon, and reassigned as City Fire Marshal, Osamis City Fire Station, Misamis Occidental. Signed, Fire Chief Superintendent Romel C. Trajo, Regional Director. Thank you.
To relinquish his office as the Chief Operations Division, Concurrent Chief Special Rescue Force, BFP Region 10, may we call in Fire Superintendent Romeo L. Miranda, sir.
pursuant to Special Order Number RIA-2025-214, dated 06 October 2025. I hereby relinquish my duties and responsibilities as Chief Operations Division Concurrent Chief Special Rescue Force, BFP Region 10, effective 06 October 2025. I sign.
And to relinquish his office as the Provincial Fire Marshal, Camiguin, and assume as the Chief Operations Division, Concurrent Chief, Special Rescue Force, BFP Region 10, may we call in Fire Chief Inspector Willie M. Tan Jr., sir?
Pursuant to Regional Order REA 2025-059 dated October 9, 2025, I, Chief Inspector Willie Martinio Tan Jr., to hereby relinquish my duties and responsibilities as the Acting Provincial Fire Marshal of Camiguin, effective this day. I sign. Ini assumption. Pursuant to Regional Order REA 225059 dated October 9, 2025, I, Chief Inspector Willie Marquinho Tan Jr., do hereby accept the duties and responsibilities as the Acting Chief of Operation Regional Headquarters and as the Concurrent Special Rescue Force, effective this day. I sign.
May we request Regional Director, Fire Chief Superintendent Romel C. Trajo, sir, to lead the symbolic turnover. To relinquish his office as the Provincial Fire Marshal, Bukidnon, and assume as the City Fire Marshal of Misamis City, Misamis Occidental, may we call in Fire Chief Inspector Roel M. Villaroya, sir.
Relinquishment of office. Pursuant to Regional Order Number REA 2025-069 dated October 7, 2025, I hereby relinquish my duties and responsibilities as Acting Provincial Fire Marshal of Bukidnon, BFP Region 10, effective 7 October 2025. I sign. Assumption of office. Pursuant to Regional Order Number REA 2025-058 dated October 7, 2025, I hereby assume my duties and responsibilities as City Fire Marshal of Osami City Fire Station, Misamis Occidental, BFP Region 10, effective October 7, 2026, and I am eager to sign.
Pursuant to Special Order Number RIA-2025-214, dated 06 October 2025, I hereby assume my duties and responsibilities as Provincial Fire Marshal, Bukidnon BFP 10, effective 06 October 2025, and I sign.
We once again request our Regional Director, Fire Chief Superintendent Romel C. to register for the lead of symbolic turnover of command. To all command officers, we wish you success in your next assignments, stronger and more resilient. Thank you for all being part of an important tradition. May the flames of duty burn ever brighter in your hearts. Good morning.